So for this one, it says that the parent function, the parent cosine function, is shifted up. Or no, it's shifted to the left. Remember that C. Whoops, wrong thing there. So when it says 5 units to the left, that means that C is equal to -5. Vertically stretched by a factor of 4, that means that A equals 4. And shifted up 2, that means that D is a positive 2. Which statement is true about the following graph? So the function then for this parent function, g of x is equal to 4 cosine of x. Now remember, it's minus minus c, which is minus minus 5, plus 2. Or cosine is x plus 5 plus 2. Okay. What does this mean? There's a bunch of choices, but basically what they want to know is what's the midline of this thing. So to find the midline, let's just graph this chart. So, or graph this graph. So if I go in here, I'm going to do, clear this out, 4 cosine of x plus 5 plus 2. Now I think I can see it in my head because, well, clearly I'm a math teacher, so I've had a lot more practice than you guys have, but normally the amplitude would be from +4 to -4. So the midline would be at 0, right? Y equals 0. But when we shift it up to, that means that midline at y equals 0 goes up to, so it should be y equals 2. So for my other equation, I'm just going to put y equals 2. And let's see. Oh, I got to zoom out. So let me zoom to a standard fit. Okay, so then let's take a screenshot of that. So the midline is y equals 2. And that's all they really want to know.